what people call me and how I rate them. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this Instagram trend right here, so keep on watching. First we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Alien John YTT. And from my page, you have to go to add your sticker at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. And here you have to click until you find the desired sticker. And you'll also find viral trends right here, so you can check these too if you want. Like this one, for example. Okay, so here we have to click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. And once I will do the story, I'll show you from where you can get that link in the Instagram app. So now let's do our story. You can go to your uploads and choose a background photo. I will go with this photo right here. And you can make your sticker bigger or smaller and place it where you want. So now let's add our text. We have to click on the sticker from the top of the screen. So next to the sticker we will find the text. So here you have to type in what people called you. In my case, just like this. And you have to rate this 10 out of 10. You can give it a color and then click on done from the right top corner. And you can place this where you want, make it bigger or smaller. So once you are happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends, and that's it. And now let me show you from where you can get that link. If you are not able to click on the add yours button, you have to go to super viral at highlights. And here in the first story, you will find not able to click on add yours button, then you can click this YouTube link right here. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.